Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a field in Salesforce. First, log into your Salesforce account and click the gear icon at the top right, then select Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Object Manager and open it. Choose the object where you want to add a field, like account, contact, or a custom object. On the left sidebar, click Fields and Relationships, then hit the New button. Select the field type you need, such as text, number, or pick list, and click Next. Enter a descriptive field label. Salesforce will automatically create the API name. Set any additional properties based on the field type, then click Next. Choose which user profiles can view or edit this field. Click Next, and then select the page layouts where it should appear. Finally, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a new field in Salesforce to better manage your data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.